Hey guys, in this video I'll be continuing with the Python series. We'll be going over testing, searching, and manipulating string concepts. So Python provides operators and methods for testing strings. So Python provides operators and methods for testing strings, searching the contents of strings, and getting modified copies of strings. So you can test strings in Python with in and not in. I think we've gone over this before. You can use it in different things, different data structures and stuff. Such as lists, tuples, dictionaries. We haven't done we done tuples yet? I think we have done tuples. I don't think we've done dictionaries and sets, but we'll be doing that soon. So in Python you can use the in operator to determine whether one string is contained in another string. So we'll do an example of that. So we can have a string here. So we can have a str points to so we can say like many years ago, something like that. So str points to many years ago. So we can say if years, so if years in str, we can print string years comma was found. Something wrong with that. So we have string comma year. We need a plus here. No. Okay, what's wrong with that? So str is missing the bracket. Okay, so we need actually to put that in a quote. So if, or in a literal. So if years in str, print string years was found. Why am I getting actually need another quote here. I think that's why. Literal. Okay, so that's why the string years was found. Don't think we really need to have this separated, all those things separated. Maybe yes or no. Either way, you could have just done it in one string. So then we'll say else here. So else we'll say else print the string was not found. So the string years was not found. So if you run that, string years was found. We can change this to blueberries. We can see if it'll catch blue. So string blueberries, if blue in str, print the string blue was found. So you can print that. So string blue is not found. So it did not like the part of the string. So it didn't like part of the string. So we have string blue. So str blueberries. If blue in str, print string blue was found. Else print string blue is not found. Did it print? It was found. My apologies. So it says it was found. So in that case, it did catch some letters in the string. So you can test for that with an if so we can use the in keyword to test that. So oppositely we can use not in. So we can say basically it's the exact same thing oppositely. So we can just have not in here. We can switch these around. Save and run it. So it says str points to blueberries. If blue not in str, print string blue is not found. So if blue not in. So if blue not in str. So if blue not in, so if it's saying, okay, well if blue is not in the string, print blue is not found. So else, which means the opposite of not in would be in. So remember, so if something's if, then else means if it's false. So if not in is true, then it's true. But if not in is false, then it means in. So this is pretty much a Boolean keyword. So if it's either not in or it's in, so it's either one or the other, which means it's pretty much a Boolean. In the back end of Python, not in might be defined as a Boolean function or something like that. Like a Boolean keyword pretty much. So it's telling us that the string blue was found. So that means it hit the else clause. So hopefully that makes sense. It's a little confusing if you're new to the concept of Booleans and stuff. So hopefully you guys understand. So we'll be moving on to string methods in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. So that was the in and not in operator or keyword to be used in strings. So we'll be continuing with the string discussion in the next video. So hope to see you there. If you guys like the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel for more programming and investing tutorials. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.